Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Today I'll be sharing this simple tutorial on how I made this trendy dress with 360-degree circle flare button and fitted sleeve with flare. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like and comment your thoughts and your favorite parts of this tutorial. You have to talk. I've been doing the talking since, so it's your turn to talk. I'm watching, you are laughing now. Also turn notification bell to get to see my next sewing tutorial, and I'll be using 3 years of Ankara fabric to achieve this time. If this is something you like watching, please keep on watching to the end. Let's get started. I have my Ankara fabric here, 3 years of it. So I'll be showing guys how I'm going to fold my fabric in 4 parts. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can share, like and also comment. Please keep on watching this particular tutorial to the end. I've went ahead to fold my fabric in 4 parts, and that's what I'm pointing at. I've also added my zipper side allowance by 1 inch. So I'll just use my chalk to give a straight line down with my ruler. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be marking my shoulder by 16 inches. So that's my shoulder, which is by 16 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler to connect it together, the chalk. That's for the shoulder line. From my shoulder to my chest area, I'll be marking 8.5 inches. So that's for my chest area. And so my bust measurement is on my chest line area, which is by 38 inches. Then I'm going to also add my sewing allowance by 1.5 inch. After that, I'll be covering my armhole point by 2 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler to give a curve for the armhole point to connect it to my bust area. So after that, I'm going to measure my half length, which is by 15 inches. So my half length is by 15 inches, and I measured it from my shoulder to my half length. So I'm going to mark my hip length, which is by 24 inches. So my hip length is by 24 inches. Then I'm going to also use my ruler to connect the lines together. On my half length line, that's where I'm going to get my waist measurement, and my waist measurement is by 33 inches. So that's what I'm measuring now. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for my dart line before adding 2 inches for my sewing allowance. Now my hip measurement is by 40 inches. Then I'm going to also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. Right now I'm going to go by 4 inches for my neckline, while the depth of my neckline I'm going to go by 7 inches, and it's going to have V shape in front, that is the neckline. So that's what I'm using my ruler to connect for the front neckline. So the back neckline I'm going to go down by 1.5 inch for the depth of the back neckline. So after that, I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Then I'm using my ruler to slope it down. I'm sorry my camera is not showing that part that much. So my full length of my dress is 40 inches, including the 360-degree circle flare that I'm going to add at the bottom. But before then, the length is going to stop at the Ankara area, where the Ankara area is going to stop. So that particular measurement is 33 inches. I hope you are getting it. So right now I'll be connecting my line to my hip area. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do next. So I want you to keep on watching this video to the end. Alright, so I'm going to connect it now. That's what I'm connecting now. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please you can just subscribe now. You can give this video a thumbs up, and you can share these tutorials with your friends. So let me shift it. So after that, on my hemline area, I'll be shaping my dress by 36 inches. Then I'm going to connect it from my hip to my hemline. So that's what I want to do next. So that's what I'm connecting now. So after connecting it, then I'm going to go ahead and just cut my fabric out. So don't forget, the style that we are making today is a unique style and is a trendy style, and I want you to learn how to make this style. So that's why I'm making this simple tutorial for you to watch and understand how to make this particular style for yourself. And if you have any question concerning this particular tutorial, please you can drop it in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a particular style that you want to see on this channel, don't forget, just drop it in the comment section. I'm here for you. I'm going to attend to it. I'm going to make it for you. You know you are my sweetheart. And don't forget, I'm also your baby. So please don't forget to watch this video to the end, guys. So just keep on watching and you can turn notification bell now. Right now I'll be opening my zipper allowance. Don't forget I marked 1 inch for the zipper side of my dress. After that, I'll be cutting the front neckline. Don't forget it's going to have V shape in front. So just keep on watching, guys, to the end. Here is my latest organza fabric that I'm going to use to make my 360-degree circle flare. You can see the way I'm folding it. So I folded it into 4 parts. So after folding it, so I will just go ahead and place my tape on the sharp edge like this. You can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to mark 5.5 inches. So I'll keep on marking it round. Okay, so let me shift so I can see what I'm doing. So you saw where I place it. So at the edge, sharp edge of my fabric. So I'm marking 5.5 inches round. Okay, so that's my 5.5 inches that I'm marking round. So on that line that I marked 5.5 inches, that's where I'm going to place my tape on it and mark 9 inches round to get my length. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So you can see from the video now, you can see where I'm getting my length. So this is how you should go about it when making your own. And if you don't understand this tutorial, please you can watch this video again. There's nothing wrong. That means that you have to watch this tutorial again, because I really want you to get this particular style that I'm making today. So just keep on watching, and if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section. So I'm cutting it now. So this is what I'm going to use to extend the length of my dress. It's a very simple style but elegant that you can wear out to your home and bed party or wedding, or you can wear it to your office. That is like Friday wear to your office. You can make this for yourself and wear it out, so you can see how neat it is. So the next steps was to cut our sleeve. I'll be using the organza to achieve my sleeve. So I'll be folding my fabric into 2 like this, as you can see me doing. So this is how your own should look like. At the edge of the sleeve is going to have a flare. I'm going to use my Ankara fabric to design it. Okay, so I will draw a straight line for us to start our measurement. So I'm going to mark 16 inches for the length of my sleeve. So I'll keep on marking 16 inches for the length of my sleeve. Then I'm going to connect the line together. I'll go by 1.5 inch for the armhole point. Okay, then my round sleeve is by 10 inches. Okay, I want you to know about that. So it's by 10 inches, the round sleeve. So after that, I'm going to just connect the lines together. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So like I said, the sleeve is going to have flared design at the edge of the sleeve. Is a trendy sleeve that is raining, and I want you to also know how to make it, or it's trending, so I want you to also know how to cut this particular sleeve that I'm going to cut now. So don't forget that we are using organza fabric, and it's a black organza that we are going to use to achieve the sleeve that we are making today. So that's what we are cutting now. Remember, my sleeve is going to have flare on it, so I've folded my fabric in 4 parts, okay, like I did before when cutting the organza. You can see the folding is almost the same thing, just that this particular one is smaller. So I will also place my tape on the sharp edge and mark 2 inches round. So I'll keep on marking that 2 inches round. Then I'm going to use my chalk to give a curve. I'm going to also place my tape on that line that I marked 2 inches to get the length of my sleeve. That is the one that I'm going to attach to the sleeve length, okay, to extend the length of the sleeve. You can see the cutting is the same thing that we use when cutting the 360-degree flare. So after cutting it, I'm going to use, this is the first sleeve, so I'm going to use it to place on the second fabric to achieve the second sleeve. So you can see I've cut out that part, so you can see the flare now, very beautiful. It's also 360-degree flare. So now is the second sleeve that I'm cutting. I'm going to use the first sleeve that I just cut now to just cut it out. So after this part, I'm going to head over to my machine to stitch it together, attach it to my dress now. I feel like going on without stopping. I'm looking at your face. Do you want to laugh? I'm just pulling your legs. Please drop your comments about today's tutorial, and you can say something nice to us. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. You can also turn the notification bell to get to see my next video upload that is coming up on my channel. Yes, we are all winners. Keep winning. Get that skill that you need for yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.